I'm going to teach you how to use Loom's new AI meeting notes feature. For the moment, it's free. It's in beta, so I don't know how long it'll be free, but either way, this is a really neat way to, one of many neat ways to utilize this new feature. So I have a transcript here that I pulled from a Loom video I have. I'm going to select, once you can do it by clicking the plus sign and selecting AI media notes, or you can do the slash sign and then select it. Once it's open, you're going to click transcript. When you select this, you're going to click Command V or Control V if you're on PC, or right click and paste. It's going to paste this whole transcript in. And if you're not on the Notion app, it's going to want you to open that, at least if you are online. Now that I'm in the Notion app and everything is in the transcript, not notes, I'm going to click confirm consent and start, because this is originally set up to record talking, but I'm going to actually use it to summarize a transcript, which is nice, so you don't have to repeat all of this. Then once it starts, I'm going to click stop, and then it's going to start generating based on that. If you don't already have it set up, it's going to want access to your mic and such. And then it will start. You click over to summary, and it'll start giving you a nice and neat summary of everything from your transcript, which is really nice. And that's it. It's super easy. It's free. You can copy and paste this and use it all over the place. Hopefully this helped you guys, and I'll talk to you soon.